Everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can sign up on Instagram. The first thing that you have to do is open your Instagram app. If you want to log in with Facebook, then click on log in with Facebook. Otherwise, go with sign up with email or phone number. You have to enter your phone number. Apart from that, if you don't want to give your phone number, use your email address. Here I am entering my email address. Click on next. If you have created an account, then click on login to existing account. But if you want to create a new account, then create new account. Click on it. Will get a confirmation code on your given email address or on your given phone number. Enter that code here and then click on next. Now enter your full name. It can be anything you like. After entering your full name, enter a strong password. Remember, your password should be of 6 characters. After doing this, click on continue and sync account. Enter your date of birth. You can also enter your age by clicking on enter age instead. After this, click on next. Give a right username to your account. This username should associate with your personality, so choose it wisely. After this, click on next. Your account is getting registered. Wait for a minute. Now your account has been created. Follow friends. If you want to make your account private, then click on private option. Otherwise, click on public option. Here I am clicking on public option. After this, click on next. If you want to add your profile photo, then click on add a photo. This is how you can sign up on Instagram. Thanks for watching the video.